today's video, I'm going to show you how to create your own trouser pattern using only 6 body measurements. I will show you how to measure yourself, measuring myself, and I'll use my measurements to create my own pattern and use it to make a pair of trousers for myself. And yeah, have a watch through and see how I do it. Let's go into the video. Use a ribbon to mark where your waist is going to be. Your waist, not your natural waist, but where you feel comfortable having your trousers sitting. To show you on the mirror, so I can see what I'm doing. So I like my trousers to sit just about here. So since you're measuring yourself, you need to know these things. So I'll tie it nice and secure around my waist where I like my trousers to sit. First measurement I need is my waist measurement. So you need your waist measurement. My waist measurement is 34. Measure your hip. So make sure it's around the widest part of your hips. You measure your hip. For me is 41. The next measurement you're going to need is the length of your trousers. You need the length of your trousers. So I am measuring myself, and you probably would be measuring yourself unless you've got a friend to help you. I need to put this tape, the top of the tape, at the top of the ribbon, okay? And then let it fall to the floor. And then you can generally see where the tape touches the floor, okay? Have a look and see where the tape touches the floor. And mine touches the floor at 37. I want my cup to be 14, okay?